Hey readers, today we are going to focus on some language skills and look at sentences and think about how they end and adding that correct punctuation mark. So here we go. We are going to talk about two types of sentences today. We are going to talk about a statement. Mrs. Richard would like to make that a little bigger for you so you can see it. And a statement is a sentence that tells something. It is also called a declarative sentence. It ends with a period. The other sentence I'd like to talk about today is a question, and that's a sentence that asks something. It's also called an interrogative sentence, and it ends with a question mark. That's a big word, interrogative sentence, but we still need to put it up in our minds and think about what it means. So once again, a statement is a declarative sentence, and a question is an interrogative sentence. So let's look at some sentences together and see which ones they are. The first sentence says, "Did the campers hear a coyote while they sat by the campfire?" Notice I have a word underlined, and that is one of our vocabulary words. But let's think about this. Is this sentence just telling us something? Or is this sentence asking a question? Did the campers hear a coyote while they sat by the campfire? That is asking a question. We're waiting for their answer. Yes, they saw a coyote, or they did not. So we're going to add the correct punctuation mark of a question mark there. That is a complete thought. It starts with a capital letter. Now it has the correct punctuation mark. Let's go to number 2. Mrs. Richard woke up early on Monday morning to take a hike. When I read that sentence, am I asking a question? Is that an interrogative sentence? Or am I just telling you something? Is that a statement? That's just a statement. So I need a period to stop this sentence. Remember, once again, it's a complete sentence. It's a complete thought. It starts with a capital letter. It has a punctuation mark at the end. Let's keep going. We have 2 more to do. Is your backpack full of supplies for the camping trip? Once again, let's ask ourselves, is this a statement? Is it a sentence that is just telling us something? Or is it a question? Is it asking a question and waiting for an answer? Is your backpack full of supplies for the camping trip? Do you notice how my voice even goes up? That happens when we read a question. So this needs a question mark at the end to stop that sentence. And our last one is, that sleeping bag will keep you warm in the tent. As I read that, was I asking a question? Did my voice go up? Or did I just give you a statement? Did I just tell you something? That sleeping bag will keep you warm in the tent. My voice actually went down, so that's just a statement. I'm just telling you something. So we have sentences that can ask a question. We have sentences that can just tell us something. We need to make sure, though, we stop those sentences correctly when we're writing and when we're reading. We need to stop. Our voice changes a little. They go up a little with questions, and they kind of go down when we have a statement. Let's take one more look at these sentences. I did tell you I have some words underlined, and those are our vocabulary words for this week. So let's say those together. Coyote, early, full, and warm. And notice I even have those in ABC order. Coyote gets to go first because it starts with the letter C. Early, next, it has an E, and E comes after C in the alphabet, followed by full. We have the F, and then our last one is W for warm. So I put our vocabulary words in alphabetical order in these sentences. So as you're reading and writing, watch for those punctuation marks, and that will help you know when that sentence is over, and it will help you read with expression. Great job today.